an entrepreneur? You probably wouldn't mind more sales, right? Well, if you want more sales, then you need more awareness. And it's kind of hard to sell lemonade from your lemonade stand if you don't have any traffic coming down your street. Well, that's where we come in. Imagine having the most amount of clients your business could handle, but not just that, having the highest quality of clients. You know, the type that doesn't really ask a lot of questions and they already know you, what you offer, and they even refer you to their friends. Yeah, that type of client. Well, that's what this channel is about. We're not just gonna show you how to get the most amount of clients, but also the highest quality clients. Now, why should you even listen to me? I run a team that works with the biggest and best entrepreneurs in the world, and we help them scale their brands online to make money on today's best platforms. We're working with entrepreneurs with millions of followers, hundreds of thousands, all the way down to people just starting from scratch. And in our position, we're able to see what's working and what's not working. And that's my job on the channel. I'm not a perfect entrepreneur or guru by any means. My name is Maxwell Müller, and I'm a practitioner. I'm a doer, an analyzer, and an entrepreneur. You might be able to relate with this. My thoughts, my strategies, they're changing, but not because I come up with some random idea out of thin air and I just decide to go gung-ho at it. No, it's because my team and I are constantly analyzing what is happening in the market, testing things out, and tripling down what is working. This allows us to make the best decisions. And that's why I'm fired up for this channel, because we're gonna be covering the two most important things you need to understand in order to grow your business, increase sales, and be in the position that you ultimately wanna be. And those two things are number one, marketing, and number two, being the entrepreneur that you ultimately need to be. If you wanna hear more about my story as an entrepreneur, then fair warning, it's a tough one to watch, but if you're up for it, check out that video right here. Or if you want your first dose of marketing and content, then go check out this video right here. But without further ado, welcome to the V Team YouTube channel.
I like that.